So here's the new car. Gotta clean up this garage, make more space. There's tons of Halloween boxes. It's really tight though. I gotta get rid of this. It'll really clean up. So right now it's really tight. And here's the plate. See how I did the plate?
Yeah, it's dark though.
Yeah, well, it's not gonna damage it. Oh, said the charge. Key detected. White Napa leather. So the upgrade is this. It's called light arbor. So and this isn't real wood. In the signature, it's a maple. It's real maple. And then this would be aluminum. And here you get plastic. Like in here, in this car, you get aluminum. This is metal. I don't know why they didn't do the same here in this more expensive car. But this is I don't know if this is aluminum, but this is shiny. This is like chrome. This might be aluminum, maybe not. No, it's plastic. And this is plastic, but it's like a different thing. Like this. Maybe it is plastic, but it's a nicer finish. And the CX5. Let's compare the door closing sound. That's a Mazda sound. This thing. That's funny. This is like, well, this is gonna be different because this one's filled with sound insulation. A cup holders here, and there's the wireless charging. There is kind of weird. I don't know. It cuts in and out on my phone. I'll try it with Hannah's phone. And that's the back seat.